First of all, here is my warning to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo Jr. You have to stop Photoshop the picture of Bongbong Marcos. Respect the President of the Philippines. Why did you do that picture? You said it. What is that picture? Oh, chooks to go. Sumingot. Oh, that's call it. He's using illegal drugs. Oh, or what is this picture anyway? That picture anyway, it's not Bongbong Marcos. You know, Best Pills, that's not Bongbong Marcos. You are false speculation. You are making a fake news. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., you will be you will be sued by a camp of Bongbong Marcos. Plus there is executive secretary Lucas Benjamin who was there in Malacanang. They will sue against you. Don't do that to Bongbong Marcos, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo Jr. You know, for me, Best Pills, why are you editing the picture of Bongbong Marcos? Let me explain it about the whole story was, Best Pills. Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr. You should never Photoshop the picture. Any kind of speculation or the false media in social media, you should learn how to stop. This is why if you try to edit a picture of Sara Duterte, if you try to edit a picture of Ka Eric Celis, they will sue against you. Not even just that, if you try to edit a picture of Donald Trump, even JD Vance, in your stupid meme, there's the FBI in US, there's the US Embassy in Attache, the FBI Attache in US, they will sue against you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo Jr. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., you have to stop what you're doing because with your stupid allies, that Angelo Bonsa, Jean Asedio, G. Macasandil, Jeffrey Asedio, including Paulo Cruzada. Why are you defending your own allies? Why are you attacking Shania Kiana, all of you? You try to piss her off. You try to mess her up. Even all of you try to harass her and humiliate her. This is really intense. You know, Ralph Guevara said it's really intense. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo Jr., when I met Capitana, when I buy beef cubes, even at ginasang mix, we're just having to eat steak for our dinner. We have steak in our house for a dinner. Well, for me, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo Jr. I met Capitana outside. When I go outside to buy something, Nor cubes, I bought some ginasang mix. I saw Capitana. Capitana is warning you, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo Jr. One more foolish again, you will get in trouble. Because you should pay for this, Best Pills. If you want to force me to come in, what is that street fight? In Alabang, Ayala Malls, Alabang. Why can't you just settle? Why can't we just talk in barangay? Or in Filipino, mag-usap tayo sa barangay. Oh, that's what we just gonna do. Oh, we have to talk sincerely. Why are you bullying the TVJ fans? Oh, not only TVJ fans. Oh, why are you threatening me to shoot me a shotgun? Eh, you don't have a shotgun, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo. Even you learn how to shoot a shotgun, an airsoft gun. You cannot shoot a shotgun, Best Pills. You are just a coward. Oh, Felix Sabines says to you, oh, what is that in Tagalog? Oh, baklang duwag. Oh, you are a coward. If I were you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, deactivate all of your Facebook account. Sumusobra ka na, that's why. You don't really how to change yourself.